Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the 6ix9ine filter on Instagram. It's actually a pretty cool and unique filter. I haven't seen one like this before. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to get it. It's really easy to get. So all you have to do is just head over to the Instagram application, and then you just go over to your search tab and then to your search bar here, and you just want to search this account right here called Blend Mod. So just search for Blend Mod and click search, and then you'll be greeted with this right here. So you just want to click on the Blend Mod account and then head over to filters. Scroll down and you'll see the 6ix9ine filter right here. So you have two options to either try it out in the application, or you can go ahead and click on it to save to your camera roll. So let's go ahead and go here, and then at the bottom you'll see you have an option to save to your camera roll. So you want to click on that, and then that will save it to your camera roll, so you're able to use this filter whenever you would like to. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting the 6ix9ine filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.